Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Firebase Realtime Database in Android with Kotlin step by step clearly. To connect Firebase Realtime Database in Android using Kotlin, first, open your Android Studio. Create a new project by selecting the empty activity template. Make sure to set the language to Kotlin. Once your project is created, open the project view. Next, navigate to the Gradle scripts folder. Open the build.gradle project file. In the build script section, add the Google Services class path. Now, open the build.gradle module file. Apply the Google Services plugin at the bottom of this file. Add the Firebase dependencies for real-time database in the dependencies section. These dependencies include implementation platform for Firebase BOM and implementation for Firebase Realtime Database. Sync your project with the Gradle files to download the necessary libraries. Next, go to the Firebase console. Create a new project or select an existing one. In the Firebase console, click on Add App and choose Android. Register your app by entering your package name and SHA-1 certificate. Download the Google Services.json file. Place this JSON file in the app folder of your Android project. Go back to Android Studio. Open the Android manifest.xml file and add internet permission. This allows your app to connect to Firebase. In your main activity, initialize Firebase using Firebase app.initialize app, this. To access the real-time database, create an instance of Firebase database. Use Firebase database.getInstance to get the database reference. Next, get the database reference by calling database.getReference, your _node_name. To write data, create a data class that represents the structure of your data. Use the references setValue method to write data into the database. To read data, implement a value event listener on your database reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.